Robinhood Investing for Beginners. Robinhood is a stock trading and investing app that launched in 2015. Many Americans are now using it. Since stocks have been among the best performing assets in the US since 2000, they have returned over 300% annually. Before, the investing world was dominated by a few companies. They used a fee-based model, which means they get a cut of every transaction. The buy and hold strategy is very beneficial for long-term investors. It avoids making mistakes and can help minimize volatility. The study revealed that many of the accounts that performed best at Fidelity were those that were created by people who forgot to register for an account. In 2013, Baiju Bhatt and Vladislav Tenev founded Robinhood, a company that enables anyone to invest in stocks without having to pay commissions. Through their website and app, investors can easily invest in stocks, gold, and cryptocurrencies for free. They make money by taking advantage of the interest that the customers generate. In the past, the company was criticized for selling free trades to high-frequency traders and market makers. According to research, most brokers make money from this type of transaction. No commission for trades. You should not be trading like a lion on speed. There is no way to beat the market. If you're into financial minimalism, then you don't want to open many accounts. A low information diet is also likely to lead to more happiness. If you are not a US resident, you cannot sign up for Robinhood. There are some options that are accessible to EU residents. Robinhood is a platform that was developed to target millennials. Its simple and quick-to-use app makes it possible for people to start investing. The biggest downside of Robinhood is that it only offers stocks, exchange-traded funds, and cryptocurrencies. This means that if you're planning on investing in a broad portfolio, you'll be limited to a few assets. If you are a tech investor, then you should focus on companies like Apple and Salesforce. If you are a retail investor, then you should consider companies like Walmart and Amazon. If you are a growth investor, you can buy stocks such as Twilio and Chipotle Mexican Grill. On the other hand, if you are an income investor, you should focus on companies such as Boeing and Illinois Toolworks. You should also consider the various types of investors and their strategies. There are long-only investors who are focused on stocks and short-only investors who are looking for stocks that will go up. You should also consider the funds that you will use for other expenses. You can easily buy stocks, futures, and ETFs through the Robinhood app. Just deposit money and select the share or fund that interests you. The point of investing in Robinhood is that it lets you pick the stocks that you want, and then move on and not look back. If you are a technical analyst, then it is not the app for you. What the Robinhood app does well is it shows you the news coverage of a company, its earnings, and analyst forecasts with actual results. With the rise of Robinhood, many old brokers like Charles Schwab and Fidelity have started to lower their fees. This is a good thing, as it saves investors time and helps them save money. Robinhood is similar to any other investment platform that doesn't require fees. You can either create an account on the web or through the app. Both options have a great user interface, but most users will use the mobile app. When you fund your account, it will give you instant access to up to $1,000. This feature is very beneficial if you are new to investing. If you are new to the world of stocks, this is the place to start. It is simple to use and it will help you get started. Robinhood's commission-free trading model completely changed the way the industry does business. Other firms followed suit, and many of them are still doing so. Their focus on making it easy to use has attracted many beginner investors. With Robinhood, you don't need to pay commission fees to trade stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. The only fees are the expense ratios and regulatory fees. There are a number of options platforms that offer this type of investment opportunity, but it is typically not available on every platform. You will have to get approval from their team in order to trade options. Just like the rest of the platform, there is no fee associated with this feature. There are many option strategies that are not beginner-friendly. Margin trading. This feature allows you to borrow additional funds from Robinhood to invest with. It can allow you to magnify your returns while also paying interest. This feature allows you to borrow money from Robinhood to invest with. It's a great way to magnify your returns without having to pay interest. One of the biggest shortcomings of Robinhood is its lack of tools that seasoned investors will find valuable. This is why their gold tier is a good step in the right direction. While a less experienced investor might miss out on all the details, it's still important to note that there are plenty of tools that are designed to help novice investors. Robinhood is by far the most streamlined way to buy stocks. Its user interface is incredibly user-friendly, and it's the reason why they're considered the best app for investing. A DRIP is a feature that many investors requested from Robinhood. It lets them easily convert their dividends into shares. A DRIP is very important for long-term investors as it allows them to keep their money working for them as long as possible. Robinhood is a simple way to invest. It works by sending an email to a prospective client, which then gets them started with their account. Robinhood is a great start for new investors. Its user interface is very welcoming and will let you get started right away. While they are free, they do earn money through various means. The platform has plenty of features that make it easier for novice investors to get started. Click below to start a crypto business today.